Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the sound settings. So open up settings. Now you need to scroll a bit down until you guys see sounds and vibration. And here you need to check the volume levels. So you can set something similar to mine. I know that mine are good. You can boost the media up to 100 if you want to, but that doesn't change much. Now, after checking those levels, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So right here, let me show you, we will have the speaker grills, and here we can basically clean them. It's very important to do that because sometimes there's just dust stuck inside them and they can block the way of the speaker. And now after that, what you guys can do is disable Bluetooth to make sure that the audio isn't rerouted to any other device. So go to settings, and in here go to Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is either disabled, or when it's enabled that it's not connected to any device. And now after that, what you guys can do is update the software to basically fix any glitches that may be there. So go to settings again. Now scroll all the way down to system and update, and here click on software update. It will check for updates automatically, and if you run the latest version just like me, then that's great, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very good and it can fix a lot of glitches. Not only the software updates in general, like the security patches, but also any glitches with the speakers, headphones, the touchscreen, and much more. So make sure to update your phone regularly. And now after that, what you guys can do is factory reset the phone if the software update did not help you. So go back to the system and update. Now click backup and reset, and here click on the reset phone. Now if you want to entirely delete everything, then click erase all data. Here enter the lock screen password, and here after you click clear, your phone will basically go back to factory settings. But first remember to always back up the phone. You can either clone it to other device or create a local backup to stash it up in your phone storage. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.